Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. Right now, I'm going to show how to change Siri voice on Mac. If you are the kind of Mac user who personalizes their computer a lot, you may also be interested in changing the way Siri sounds when she replies to your voice commands. This is something that wasn't possible until recently. Ever since the release of macOS Big Sur 11.3 software update, Apple is giving users multiple voice options for Siri. No, we weren't talking about Siri's accent selection, which sort of allowed you to switch between different voices. Now you have a total of 4 different voice options that change how Siri sounds without affecting the accent. 2 of them are masculine, deeper voices, whereas the other 2 are feminine, higher-pitched voices. That all being said, let's learn how to change Siri voice on Mac. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. Before you get started with the following procedure, make sure your Mac is running at least macOS Big Sur 11.3 or later, since the new voice options aren't available on older versions. Once you are done, let's go ahead with the quick process. Head over to the System Preferences on your Mac from the dock. Alternately, you can click on the Apple menu and choose System Preferences from the drop-down menu. Next up, select Siri option. Now you will see that the older voice selection has been changed to voice variety. Right below you will see the new Siri voice setting with 4 different voices to choose from. Check out all of them and select the one that you prefer. That's pretty much all you have to do. You can now exit the System Preferences panel. If you are not signed in to your Mac with your Apple account, your Mac will not default to one of the voices that you have set upon boot. The selection you made will only be remembered as long as you are logged in with your Apple ID. Of course, you can still switch between the various Siri accents with the voice variety setting in the same menu if that's something you still prefer, but do know that only the American voice variety setting offers the new voices. The other varieties limit you to just 2 voices. That's all there is to it. So that's the way you can change Siri voice on your Mac. If you have found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.